What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding chain rule differentiation. First example I have is 1 over 21 times 3x minus 2 to the power of 7 plus 4 minus 1 over 2x squared to the power of negative 1. So we know when we have a times u to the power of n and we want to find out the derivative, is going to be a times n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So dy over dx will be 1 over 21 times 7 times 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 times derivative of 3x minus 2, which is 3, plus the derivative of this part is going to be negative 1 times 4 minus 1 over 2x squared to the power of negative 2 to the power of negative 2 times 4 minus 1 over 2x squared derivative. So let's find out this part. So 4 minus 1 over 2x squared is going to be the same as 4 minus x to the power of negative 2 divided by 2, which is going to be negative 1 over 2 times negative 2 times x to the power of negative 3, which is going to be x to the power of negative 3 because these two cancels out. So let's rearrange it. 3 times 7, 21. With this 1 over 21 is going to cancel out. We have 3x minus 2 to the power of 6, and here we have negative 4 minus 1 over 2x squared to the power of negative 2 times x to the power of negative 3, which will be 3x minus 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 over x cubed 4 minus 1 over 2x squared to the power of 2. Let's see another example. Y equals to 5 minus 2x to the power of negative 3 plus 1 over 8 2 over x plus 1 to the power of 4. So dy over dx will be negative 3 times 5 minus 2x to the power of negative 4 times derivative of 5 minus 2x, which is going to be negative 2, plus 1 over 8 times 2 over x plus 1 to the power of 3 times negative 2 over x squared. This part is going to be the derivative of 2 over x plus 1. So let's simplify it. Negative 3 and negative 2 is going to be 6 times 5 minus 2x to the power of negative 4, plus these 2 and 8 cancel out, is going to be 4, so we have negative 1 over 4x squared 2 over x plus 1 to the power of 3. So that's going to be the final answer. Another example, we have y equals to 3x minus 3 to the power of negative 2 plus 1 over 4 1 over x plus 2x to the power of 2. So dy over dx will be negative 2 times 3x minus 3 to the power of negative 3, because that's going to be negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 3, times derivative of 3x minus 3, which is 3, plus 1 over 4 times 2 times 1 over x plus 2x to the power of 1 times derivative of 1 over x plus 2x, which is negative 1 over x squared plus 2. If you want to simplify it, 3 times negative 2, negative 6 over 3x minus 3 to the power of 3 plus 1 over 2 times 1 over x plus 2x times 2 minus 1 over x squared. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other examples regarding chain rule differentiation and other topics in calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.